Hi everyone, my name is Marissa. I am taking this class because I got a C- in Chem the first time I took it. Well, Chem is not really my greatest subject, but I need higher than that to get into PA school, which I'm applying for this summer. So I do want to be a physician assistant. I'm really excited about it, and I'm really hoping I get into school this year. I went to University of Florida for my undergrad, for the last 2 years at least, where I got a bachelor's degree in health science. The first 2 years of my college, I went to University of Central Florida in Orlando, and I switched because I just wanted to change, and I thought that the health program at UF was really great, and it was a good opportunity for me. Right now I'm living in Naples, Florida, which is in Southwest Florida. It's kind of near like Sarasota, Siesta Key, like an hour away from there. And the beaches are really beautiful. I love to live here. I moved here my freshman year of high school from New Jersey. Probably will never go back to New Jersey just because I hate the freezing cold and the winters up there are really rough. So yes, I definitely love it down here, and I love being able to go on the boat and go paddleboarding and all that fun stuff. Before all this COVID stuff, I was doing a bunch of volunteering and I was doing a bunch of shadowing PAs, which was really cool. I volunteered at the neighborhood health clinic here in Naples, which I was a lab assistant at, so I would draw blood and do a bunch of tests on the blood for the nurses. And the whole clinic was run by volunteers, so I thought it was really cool. I was shadowing a bunch of PAs. I shadowed in gastroenterology and some hospital settings, trying to figure out what I like the best, but I hear that you kind of figure that out in PA school. I worked as a CNA at a nursing home as well as a hospital. Hospital I did for about a year, and I learned a lot there. I got to work alongside nurses every day. I saw so many different things. However, it was a very hands-on, very hard job to do for a long time. So I did switch to being a medical assistant, which I am liking. I'm working at an electrophysiology office, which is really cool. I'm learning a lot about the heart and all the problems that exist with the heart, and the doctors I work for are really awesome. They explain a lot of things to us, and I get to work alongside PAs and NPs all day long, so I basically get a glimpse into my future. I'm really into art and cooking and baking. I love to meal prep. I wish I did exercise more. That's something I need to get into, but I do try to meal prep and eat really healthy, which is something I thrive to do. Something I really want to do that probably is not going to happen now due to COVID is travel before I go back to PA school. My mom did get me a really cool Italy trip after graduation, which I have not been able to take advantage of yet because of all the stuff going on. So cross my fingers, hopefully I get to do that before I go. But it was really nice meeting you guys. So, yep, that's me.